Seeing the unstable internet connection error on TikTok on your iPhone, this can happen due to a weak network, slow Wi-Fi, or temporary server issues. In this video, I'll show you easy steps to fix the unstable internet connection error on TikTok. Let's get started. Before moving ahead, open up the Safari app. Type fast.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Try turning airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn this off. After doing these basic things, if still you have the same issues, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change DNS for your Wi-Fi. First, open up the Settings app. Tap Wi-Fi. Now tap the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi. Then scroll down. Next, tap Configure DNS. Select Manual. Remove the first DNS. Add new DNS. Enter 8888. Lastly, tap Save. Solution 2. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see that any updates are there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Now go ahead and check the issue. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open the Settings app again. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If you see that software updates are there, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app again. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset network settings. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's it. This is how you can fix the unstable internet connection error on TikTok on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, write them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.